Welcome to our English extra classes. Now today we'll do chapter 3 of our book First Flight, that is His First Flight by Lamb O'Flaherty. Now students, this chapter teach you what? It teaches you that you should be courageous, take initiative and be independent. Through this story, I'll tell you that it is very important to be courageous, to be independent, to take initiative in your life. Only then you will be a successful person. So this is a story about a seagull. A family of seagulls was living on a crust. It's a peak on a rock near the sea. Now they have 3 baby seagulls and the parents. Now parents want to make them learn to fly so that the children will become independent for their own food. Now whole of the family was ready to fly and whole of them flew away except the one seagull who was too much frightened to fly. He remained there on the rock. Now the father seagull scolded him. Come, he screamed that come fast. You are not going to die. But students, he was too much frightened that he stood there as it is. And everybody flew away. They were searching their food in just like fishes in the sea. And they were enjoying. But this seagull, this courageous seagull was there and was feeling hungry. He was feeling hungry and also just showing them he was going to be faint. But still, parents ignored him because they want to make him learn to fly. They want to make him independent. So they became strict not to give food to him by themselves. They became too strict that this seagull, if feeling starvation, will come to fly and learn to fly. A whole day has been passed. He was just looking to his family that they will come to give him food. Now mother seagull just looked that the baby seagull was waiting for him. He took a piece of fish in her beak and flew towards the seagull near the rock. He was jumping. He started jumping with happy. He enjoyed too much that yes, now mother is coming to give him food. But as soon as he was just near to him, mother seagull stopped flying. He became angry. Why? Why mother, you are not coming to me? Please give me food. I am feeling hungry since last 24 hours. Then mother seagull was standing there still. She was stand still. She was not moving ahead. But he was too much hungry that he forgot his fear and he just jumped over to that piece of fish which was in mother seagull's beak. And as soon as he jumped, his wings flapped. They were strapped and they were flapping up and down. And he got that piece of fish. He forgot his fear. Why? Because this is the necessity is the mother of invention. So this was the first time when it was his first flight when he started flying. And he lost all his fear. As soon as he started flying, first he was screaming, he was with fear, but gradually all of the fear has been gone away and he was happy to fly. So friends, this was his first flight to take initiative. You should be bold, you should be courageous. Then only you will be successful in your life. Thank you, friends.